Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Button craft is a charming and creative form of handmade art that transforms simple buttons into beautiful, expressive designs by thoughtfully arranging buttons of different sizes, colors, shapes, and textures. This craft creates eye-catching patterns and artistic compositions that are both playful and elegant. Each button is used in button craft adds its own character, glossy, matte, vintage, or textured, bringing depth and personality to the artwork. Buttons are often combined with fabric, thread, canvas, wood, or paper, allowing endless creative possibilities from full floral designs, trees, to animals, abstract patterns, or personalized name art. Button craft offers a unique blend of imagination and craftsmanship. What makes button craft truly special is its versatility. It can be used to create wall art, greeting cards, photo frames, home decor pieces, jewelry, bookmarks, or school and DIY projects. Button craft is suitable for all ages, making it a fun and engaging activity for children while also serving as a sophisticated creative outlet for adults. This art form encourages creativity, patience, and attention to detail. Carefully selecting and placing each button requires thought and balance, turning everyday materials into meaningful decorative pieces. It also provides it also promotes sustainability by reusing leftover old buttons, giving them a new life and artistic form. Button craft items make thoughtful handmade gifts adds they carry a personal touch and emotional value. Each piece is unique, reflecting the creator's vision and creativity rather than mass production. Overall, button craft is a delightful combination of simplicity and artistry. So, guys, I really hope that you will like all the ideas that I shared with you. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. In my next video, you will see many other different and unique ideas. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. God bless you guys. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.